Hey guys, you may have seen a post I made a couple months ago wanting to build an RGB controller and just getting some advice from everyone. Had no idea what I was doing when I got into it, but I did manage to do it, and I had lots of fun in that adventure. Turned out pretty cool, the project I was working on. The problem with those, with the strips I was using, the LED strips, the only thing I could do was control each color on the whole strip. I didn't actually have the ability to control each single LED. I stumbled across these, the APA102 LEDs. They're pretty cool. These actually have some intelligence in them. They are addressable. And what that does, that actually does give me the ability to control each individual LED and make it turn whatever color I want. The way these work, of course you got to have some kind of interface for it, or controller, and right now I just have it hooked up to my PICAXE, the 20X2, and the communication protocol is SPI. Same SPI used to dump the NAM, just a different use for it. The way these work, they are expecting an open command of 4 bytes of zeros, which is represented by, or zeros are represented by my red button, and then it's expecting a global brightness, 1 byte of ones, represented by the green button, and then it's expecting what color you want it to go. So since we got 3 colors, it's expecting 3 separate bytes to decide what color to turn on. So these are RGB LEDs, but they're not really RGB for whatever reason. They're actually BGR. I'll show you what I mean. Or to tell you what I mean is, to make this one first one go on, if it was RGB, it would be 1 byte of ones and then 2 bytes of zeros, but that's not the way this works. It's actually backwards. It's BGR. So it's going to be 0, 0, 1. So let's just start by making this first one go red. So I'm going to send it 4 bytes of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a global brightness. And then I'm going to send it 2 bytes of 0, 1, 2, and a single byte of ones. And lo and behold, it turns red. Now, from here on out, it's just a little different. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to make this one go green. So that's going to be a global brightness. And then it's going to be this byte of zeros, byte of ones, another byte of zeros. Uh-oh, nothing happened. There is a reason for this I'm not going to get into, but it's just expecting another start of a command. So I want to hit the global brightness, another byte of 1, so that's global brightness. So now this next one's ready for its command. So let's make it go blue, so that's going to be a single byte of ones, 2 bytes of 0, and give it a next global brightness. And lo and behold, there it is. Let's make some colors. Let's send it a 1, 0, 1. Another global brightness. And there's magenta. So let's send it a 0, 1, 1. Another global brightness. There's yellow. Let's send it a 1, 1, 0. Another global brightness. There's cyan. Let's send it, the only color left is white, and that's going to be 3 bytes of 1. So 1, 2, 3, another global brightness, and there is white. So to turn them off, just 100% opposite of white. So it's already, so let me start over. Let me start over, turn off this first one. So I'm going to send it 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just for shits and giggles, send another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I still got to center the global brightness, and then I'm going to send up 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3. There, it's off. Global brightness, 1, 2, 3. Global brightness, 1, 2, 3. Global brightness, 1, 2, 3. There you have it. APA102 LEDs. They do come in strips. I bought these individually just because they were so cheap. I spent, I think I got $8 in 10 of them. That includes shipping. My next venture is I'm going to buy a lot of 100, and I actually want to build some pretty cool panels. What I have in mind, just build some panels just like you see on bulletin boards and all this and that, except they're not going to be that fancy. Just plan to use it for some stage lighting, but as I progress, I will keep this thread updated, and just for shits and giggles, maybe to spark somebody else's interest and go from there. See you guys.